Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Apologies in advance, it's a very muggy and sweaty day in the UK and not really the conditions I want to be making a video in, but I need to open this stuff and I thought why not crack on with the first episode of delivery unboxing, or I'll think of some better name because that's awful, but I've also got something else I want to show you here as well. This is going to be a very much audio orientated unboxing session, but we'll I'm sure have a bit more diversity in the future. So some of you guys may recognise this logo, a company that I've wanted to work with for a very long time, so I'm excited about that one. This one is a load of different things and a possible giveaway in there as well. So some things I have already had last week is the Blue Yeti Ember microphone. You may have seen I did the podcasting setup, the Yeti Caster last week, and was it the week before? And this is going to be the next product I'm going to review, and then we'll have two mics, so we could do something with two microphones maybe, so we will see how that goes. I've also got the Icicle, which is the XLR to USB converter to go with that. I'm not really sure how I'm going to go about recording two audio channels with the same PC, but technicalities, we'll deal with that later on. So we're going to leave this one, I think I'm going to do this one first, and then this one's a big selection of stuff. So I have got the overhead on as well. It's not very central to the rest of it. It's all a bit rushed, and I couldn't find some of the equipment I needed and stuff, so yeah, it's a little bit of a rush setup today, but we're going to go with it and see how we get on. So as you can see, great delivery job here, nice and protected, and no signs of damage during shipping at all. Okay, it's airbags, so we should. So a lot of airbags. We're fine. We're fine. Shipping note. Okay, so it's been a long time in the coming this product. So this is the Bluetooth edition of the ATH M50 headphones. I first saw these from MKBHD probably 2014, maybe earlier, and I've wanted to look at a pair since like obviously as time goes by, I wasn't a big enough channel to review them. I just couldn't afford to buy a set to review. So in the meantime they brought out the Bluetooth edition, so very excited to be doing these and to be working with Audio-Technica as well. They still retain the wired feature as well, which I would probably be using over the wireless Bluetooth, but for the most part just glad that I've got it into review and finally be able to work with Audio-Technica, so very cool. So that's the first thing. Let's put this, let's try and like make a little bit of a display here. The next one, this is a massive selection of stuff from MEE Audio. Now anyone that's been with me for a little while on the channel, you'll know that I've done a lot of their stuff. We work really closely together, which I'm very privileged to work with them, you know, getting into stuff early and being like one of the first reviewers to do their stuff. I actually worked with Mike, who I met at IFA last year. Was it MWC? I think it was IFA last year. So if you happen to watch this, then it's really good to meet you. It's lovely to be working with you as well. So, okay, what have we got? Oh wow. So a pamphlet about the things that are included. There's genius. He's got me one of each product information, so that's really good. So I've got nice little cheat sheets. I was going to actually get them before I did this video, but time and stuff. This is more of a kind of video for all of the things that arrived, not just one as well. So it's not, you know, limited to one company. So I don't want to be too technical because it's not just an MEE unboxing. First of all, we have the Matrix Cinema ANC headphones. Mike showed these to me at IFA last year, and you know, I've done a lot. I've done the M6s, the M7s. They were all in-ear ones, and I really wanted to see if they were going to make something that was going to be over-ear. and here it is. So very nice. Now that camera does see a little bit bright. Hopefully I can adjust that during the after. Okay, so wow, this is a mega box. So let's try and do these in order if I can. Let's go for these next. What we're going to do, move the box over. So we've had those. Next we've got the X10s. Now you may have seen the wireless headphones are, you know, really becoming part of the market now. I've done a couple on the channel of, I think I did one a few weeks ago actually, and I've got a few others that we're going to be doing. So this is another one that's the true wireless. Obviously here you can see the blue, and I've also got a set in black. Now they're looking very nice. So you do have 4.5 hours charge on headphones, and you've got 18-hour charging case, so 22.5 hours of playback. Now I've got two sets. I need one set, so what could we do with the other set? I'm running out of space already. So now onto the main article of them sending this whole package over. We've just got a few additional extras as well. I'm going to try and get these in order as well if we can. So the new MX Pro lineup of earphones. So they have 4 different sets in the range. So obviously the MX1s, MX2s, MX3, and you guessed it, MX4s. So all of these have different price points and obviously different specs, because obviously the higher you get in price, it's going to change the performance, and you're going to have different drivers and things. So the MX Pro, MX1 Pros, they have a 10mm coil. The 2s have a balanced armature coil. Then the third have got 2 balanced armatures, then a moving coil, and then the MX4s, which are the top end one, which are about $200, they've got quad drivers. So you've got 3 balanced armatures and then a moving coil. So again, obviously, you know, massive jumps in specs between them all, and we're going to do a nice little video on what's best for, you know, different people. Like for example, the first one's more balanced, the second one's got more bass. You've got the third has got a higher end up high mid, so it's more focused, and then you've got high fidelity all around on the fourth. So there's quite a lot of information. That's going to be quite a lengthy video because there's loads of different details, and there's different ohm powers and stuff like that as well, so impedances. So it's going to be quite a detailed video. Also, I should have these. So as I was discussing doing this review, I was asked, would you like some custom logos to go on the side of these? Yes, I would please. So in this little packet here we have, so we've got 4 sets. I thought I was only going to get 1 set, but let's get a, so there's some different styles. I don't know if the camera's going to get this. So there's one. This one's a kind of digital kind of effect. A shark logo as well. So all of these can be changed. I'll show you in the video how that's done, and obviously there's lots of details to be included in the video itself, and then we've got the extra plates and stuff to cover as well, so there's a lot that's going to be going on. So lots of things to cover there, massive range of stuff from MEE, so a big thank you for them for sending that all to me. There's a lot of value there, so I really appreciate them sending pretty much one of everything that they're currently doing, and looking forward to giving you the guys the coverage of that and showing you what they're offering. They're really like broadening their range of products now for any budget, so really nice to see the progress that they're making. Audio-Technica, big thank you to them. Really been looking forward to working with these guys since, you know, that reply came back saying that we'd love to send you a set, so amped to be working with them. Blue microphones as well. As I said, something else coming up on the channel that's going to be really interesting, so look forward to that. And then just a little bit more of an update. I'm going to maybe put a little bit of subscribers updates in the end of these videos, just because it compacts it down, because people may not like to kind of just talking videos, so it's kind of an optional thing to subscribers. If they want to carry on watching, they can and find out what's going to be coming up. We've got a load of Razer stuff, as I said in the last epic unboxing. They sent over a lot of stuff, a lot of things here as well, so there's a lot to do. I'm going to be getting back on the train and getting you guys 3 videos a week hopefully as well, so yeah. But I think as for now, that's everything. Big thank you to everyone for sending this out. Hope you all enjoyed this unboxing stuff. We're going to keep this more regular, as things are turning up rather frequently nowadays, so should be good. So thank you everyone for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Follow me on the social medias for the updates and stuff. It's getting busy, so I will be updating you more on what's coming up there. And as for now, thank you everyone for watching again. I'll see you all in the next one.